Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and configure Ollama on an Ubuntu Linux system. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Ollama. Click on the very first link that appears, which takes you directly to the official site at ollama.com. Right on the homepage, you'll see the headline Start Building with Open Models, and just below that, you'll find the dedicated curl installation command for Linux and Ubuntu environments. Let's go ahead and copy that entire string. Next, click on the Show Applications icon in the bottom left corner of your desktop, search for the terminal, and open up a new terminal window. Once the terminal is ready, paste the curl command we grabbed from the website and hit enter. Because this script installs system dependencies, you'll need to type in your Ubuntu account password and press enter. This will immediately kick off the download process and begin configuring the Ollama background service on your machine. Let's give it a few moments to wrap up. Once it finishes, you might notice a message saying, "No NVIDIA GPU detected." If you see this, it simply means Ollama is automatically configuring itself to run in CPU-only mode. Since we're hosting this locally on a standard setup without a dedicated graphics card, relying on the CPU is perfectly fine for now. Below that, the installer notes that the local Ollama API is up and running at a specific address. Let's copy that local URL, switch back to the browser, paste it into the address bar, and hit enter. Seeing the text Ollama is running confirms that our backend service is completely active and healthy. Now that the core service is up, let's explore how to download and test actual models. If you head over to ollama.com library, in your browser you'll pull up the official catalog of supported open source models. For instance, Llama 3.1 is highly popular here, with millions of downloads. Clicking on its card reveals the exact terminal command used to pull and run it. The same rule applies to any other model in the repository. Just navigate to its page and copy the provided command. As a general rule of thumb, the command structure is always Ollama run followed by the model name. For this guide, let's install Llama 3.2. Let's copy the execution command from the page, jump back to our terminal window, paste it in, which reads Ollama run llama and press enter. The way this command works is quite efficient. If the model files aren't found locally, it downloads them automatically first. If they are already on your machine, it boots them up instantly. Let's wait a brief moment for the download layers to compile and initialize. And there we go. The model has been successfully pulled, and we're automatically dropped into an interactive command line chat interface prompting us to send a message. Any prompt we submit from here will be processed directly by our local instance. Let's test its coding capabilities by typing "Write a C++ Hello World program" and hitting enter. As you can see, it processes the request instantly and spits out a clean, working C++ script template. What's great about this response is that it doesn't just hand over the code. It actually provides an inline, line-by-line breakdown explaining exactly what the header inclusions, the main function entry point, and the standard output streams are doing under the hood. On top of that, it even includes clear terminal instructions detailing how to compile the source file using G++, run the compiled binary, and verify the expected output screen. Everything is working exactly as intended, and that is how simple it is to get Ollama installed, download your first open source LLM, and start prompting it completely locally on a Linux operating system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.